This is a video inspection of the L320 Type 7, serial number X8818, new 1994. This also has a brand new frequency drive unit, just installed here. Mitsubishi 320 control. Chip box and coolant tank on the left with the hood lifted. I'm about 10 inches away from the spindles. We're running right now at the sub spindle. It's 3500. The noise you're hearing is in actually the guards that are clicking. They're not adjusted right. The live tools are spinning at 2,000 RPM. That was the part sketcher picking up. We just took the guide bushing out to make sure that the inside gears are working well. And we'll show you the indexing here in a second. And that spindle's going at what RPM now? 3,500 RPM, and the main 2,500. I'm going to run around to the main spindle. The main spindle's at 4,000. As you can see, it's indexing at 15-degree increments, is that right, or 90? 15 degrees. And you can see that the rotary guide bushing gear is circulating in there. I'm about 6 inches away from the spindle. You can hear the quality. 4,000 RPM. Spindle stop, indexing. Sub spindle. This machine has 5 OD turning, 3 front working, 3 back working, and can be expanded to 5 end working. With the live tools. You can put air spindles in this machine as well, all available as options. This concludes the inspection of the L320 or L316.